Right now, regular people are making thousands of dollars by simply posting product videos on TikTok. They're not creating products, they're not buying inventory, they're not shipping orders, and they're not running ads. They're literally just finding products on TikTok Shop, making videos about them, and earning a commission every time somebody buys. Now that's called TikTok Shop Affiliate, and it's one of the simplest online business models to understand. But simple does not always mean easy, because if I'm being honest, most beginners still fail. They pick random products, they make random videos, they copy whatever they see on their For You page, and then they quit when their video gets 50 views and $0 earned. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to start TikTok Shop Affiliate in 2026 if you are a complete beginner. I'll show you the requirements to sign up, how the model works, and how to find products that are already selling, and how to use ShopShark to find winning products and video formats so you're not just guessing. So first, what actually is TikTok Shop Affiliate? It's basically affiliate marketing built directly into TikTok. There are products already listed on the TikTok Shop. Those products are sold by other brands or sellers. And as a creator, you can promote these products in your videos. Then when somebody watches your video, clicks the product, and buys, you earn a commission on that sale. That's the whole model. So instead of building a Shopify store, sourcing products, handling inventory, dealing with suppliers, shipping orders, and answering customer support emails, you just have one focus, which is content. Your job is to find the right product, make videos around it, get attention, and drive sale. But here's where most people get confused. They think because the model is stupid simple, the strategy is also. But it's not. The strategy is everything, because the product you choose and the video format you use can and will be the difference between a video getting no sales at all and a video making commissions for days or even weeks. And I'll be honest here, it's not uncommon for a video to make $10,000 or even $20,000 profit if it goes viral. Now, before we get into strategy, let's talk about who can actually sign up, because not every TikTok account is automatically eligible to be a TikTok Shop creator. And just so you know, requirements can change, and they can depending on your country. So always check inside your own TikTok app. But for TikTok Shop creators in the US, TikTok currently lists a few main requirements. You need to meet TikTok's community guidelines. You need to be at least 18 years old, and you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and your account needs to pass TikTok's risk evaluation, basically meaning you can't be posting any outrageous content. So yes, if you're wondering, do I actually need followers to do this? In the US, for TikTok Shop Creator Access, the public requirement is currently 1,000 plus followers. But if you don't have 1,000 followers yet, don't let that stop you. That just means your first goal isn't commissions yet. Your first goal is to build a niche account and get eligible. And honestly, that can be a really good thing, because by the time that you hit that 1,000 follower mark, you already understand what type of videos people respond to and want to watch. You'll practice making content, you'll know your niche better, and you won't be starting from complete zero when you finally unlock affiliate access. Now, here's the biggest mistake beginners make once they get access to TikTok Shop. They start guessing. They scroll TikTok Shop, pick some sort of random product that looks kind of cool, post 1 or 2 videos, get no sales, and immediately assume TikTok Shop Affiliate does not work. But that's not the real problem. The problem is that they never had an actual strategy in the first place. They didn't know if the product was already selling. They didn't know if the commission was actually worth it. They didn't know if the trend was growing or dying. They didn't know what type of video formats were actually making sales, and they didn't test enough content to get real data. That's why the first rule is simple. Don't guess, use data. And all this information is already out there for you to use. If regular creators are already making sales with the product, that tells you that there's demand. And if multiple videos are working for that product, that tells you there's probably a repeatable content angle. That's what you want to find. So step number 1 is to pick a niche. And if you're a beginner, do not overcomplicate this. Don't make an account where one day you post skincare and the next day you post dog toys, then kitchen gadgets, and then gym equipment, then phone cases. That makes it harder for TikTok to understand your account and understand the type of people that it's going to show your videos to. Instead, Pick one singular lane. Some good beginner niches are beauty products, home gadgets, kitchen products, cleaning products, pet product, fitness accessories, tech accessories. The possibilities are really endless, but the best niches usually have products that are visual, easy to demonstrate, and solve an obvious problem. Because TikTok is fast, people need to understand why the product matters in just the first few seconds. If they don't get it and understand the product quickly, they scroll. You also need to select a niche that resonates with you. The easier and more natural you can talk about something, the better your videos will perform. Now, once you have a niche, you need to find products. And this is where I would use ShopShark. ShopShark is a TikTok shop analytics tool built for creators who want to find products to promote and see what video formats are already working. So instead of going to TikTok shop and randomly choosing products, I can use ShopShark to look for products that already have signals of demand. When I'm looking for a product, I really care about 5 things. Number 1, is the product already selling? Because views are cool, but sales are what actually matter. Number 2, is the commission actually worth it? If I'm only making 50 cents per sale, I need a massive amount of sales volume. But if I can make $5, $10, $15, or even more per sale, each winning video has way more upside. And number 3, is the product actually growing? I don't want to jump on something after everyone and their mom has already sold it. I want to find products that are starting to move before they're completely saturated. And number 4, are multiple creators actually getting traction on the product? Now, this is a huge one. If only one video went viral, that could just be luck. But if multiple creators are getting views and sales with the same product, that tells me that has a repeatable demand. And number 5, can I actually make content for this product? Because some products might sell well, but they may be hard to film. And as a beginner, you want to choose products that are easy to demonstrate. Something where you can show the problem, show the product, and show the result super easily. That's the sweet spot right there. So as you can see now on ShopShark, we have a couple different sections on the left-hand side here. We have videos, we have products, and we have lives. So videos, you can see right here exactly how many sales each video made. So on the top left here, we see 2.9K video GMV, which essentially this video made $2.9 thousand in revenue at an 8% commission. So we can go through here and scroll and look for all these videos to try to find a product. Now they also have this really cool products tab where it shows all the top selling products on TikTok shop right now. You can select the category right here. You can select the status, the total units sold, and the total GMV, which basically means total amount of revenue on that product. And then you can see the actual sales in the past 7 days. So what I would recommend is you select whatever niche that you want to choose right here, and then total units sold. I usually like to go between 5 to 50,000 units sold range. So we can just type that in right there, and then we can click apply. Total GMV, you can also play around with this. 50 to 100K is a good mark, but for this example, we're just gonna go 5,000 to 50,000 units sold. Then what I would do is I would scroll through all the different products right here until something catches my eye. Now, what do I mean by something catches my eye? I just think something that's a cool product, maybe people have never seen it before, and something that may do well for people to purchase on impulse. So say for example, we really like this one right here, which is a plug-in power box. We could see it's number 4 in top sales right now. It has a great viral index, popularity score, and it's sold almost 45,000 units so far with a total of $420,000 in revenue. That is 215 different affiliates creating content for this product and 388 shoppable videos. So now the cool part about ShopShark is we can actually scroll down on this product and we could see the videos that have performed the best when actually marketing this product. So we could see this one right here, 1.5 million views, 20,000 likes, and we can click right to see the original video and see exactly how they marketed this product right here. So as you can see, it's just some sort of like little skit. And she's showing off the product and putting in the power box right in the house. So it kind of gives you guys an idea on what type of content is actually working well for this product right here. So you can see and just keep scrolling down and find all of the best performing videos promoting this product. Now, what actually makes a good product? Now, let me be really simple. A good beginner product should pass what I call the 3-second test. If someone can understand what the product does in 3 seconds, that's a good sign. A cleaning product that removes stains, a beauty product that creates a visible result, a kitchen gadget that saves time, or a pet product that solves an annoying pet owner problem. Those are super easy to understand, but if the product takes a full paragraph to explain, it's going to be a lot harder to sell with short form content. I also want the product to have multiple video angles because you don't want to make one video and run out of ideas. A good product should give you at least 5 or 10 different video ideas. You should be able to make a problem solution video, a demo video, a review video, a before and after video, a comparison video, and a TikTok made me buy it style video. If you can instantly think of multiple ways to show the product in action, that's a good sign. If you're sitting there struggling to come up with even one video idea, then I would likely just skip that one. Now, this is a part most beginners miss. The product matters, but the video format matters just as much. You can have the right product and still make the wrong video. So once I find a product inside ShopShark, I'm not just looking at the product page. I'm looking through the videos that are already selling it. And I'm asking, what's the first shot? What type of hook are they using? Is it face-to-face camera or hands only? Is it a demo video? Is it a review video? Is it a before and after video? How fast is the pacing? When do they actually show off the product versus when are they just hyping it up? When do they show the result? What problem are they calling it? I'm not trying to copy the creator word for word. That's lazy and usually doesn't work long term. But what I'm trying to do is understand the actual structure, what makes a video viral, and sell the product well. Because if I notice that the top videos all start with the result in the first second, I'm also going to start with the result. If I notice the best videos are problem solution videos, I'm going to use that format. If I notice that the top videos are hands-only demos with text on the screen, I'm not going to overcomplicate it with a full cinematic production. That's the goal. Don't copy, model what actually works. And with ShopShark, as you can see right here, it literally shows you all of the top videos. So when I find a product, all you need to do is come right here, find the top videos and model your videos after the patterns that you see with these top performing videos. What you're doing is you're looking for patterns that are already working and making your own version of it. Now, once you find your product and winning formats, here's exactly what I would do. I would make 10 videos for one product, not one video, but 10, because one video just simply is not enough data. Your first video might flop, your second video might flop, your third video might get views but no sales, and then your fourth might be the one that actually works. So here's exactly how I'd split the first 10 videos when starting on TikTok Shop. 3 problem solution videos, 3 demo videos, 2 review style videos, and 1 comparison video, and 1 TikTok made me buy it style video. Same product, different angles, and don't overthink the production. Use your phone, use natural lighting, show the product clearly, and keep the pacing fast. Make sure you put the hook in the first second, add captions, and make sure people actually see the product early. Your goal is not to make the prettiest video and highest production. Your goal is to make a video that gets attention and makes people want to buy the product. Then, once something starts working, you just make more versions and repeat that video over and over again. That's how this becomes an actual system. So, if you're somebody who wants to start TikTok Shop Affiliate in 2026, here's the exact beginner game plan that you'd follow. First, check if you're eligible. If you're not eligible yet, pick a niche and start posting content until you hit the requirements. Second, choose one niche instead of promoting random products from every single category. Third, use ShopShark to find products that are already selling and videos that are already working. Fourth, pick one product with a good commission, clear demand, and simple content angles. Fifth, make 10 videos for that one product. Sixth, look at the data. Which videos got views, which videos got clicks, and which videos got sales, which hooks work the best. And seventh, double down on whatever is working the best. More videos, more hooks, more angles. Same winning product until it dies out and stops working. That's really the game. The people who win are not always the most talented. They're usually the people who test more, study the data, and don't quit after one bad video. That's how you start TikTok Shop Affiliate as a beginner in 2026. Don't randomly pick products. Find products that are already selling. Find videos that are already working. Model formats, post consistently, and then double down on the winners. Now, if you want to use the same tool that I showed you in this video, I'll leave a link down below to ShopShark in the description. It helps you find TikTok Shop products to promote, see what videos are performing, and get ideas for video formats that you can model off of. subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.